Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to add profile picture to the user account on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my settings right here. And it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, and make sure you look for users and accounts. Then it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on multiple users. It's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on admin. And the next thing you need to do is to tap on the camera icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to choose a profile picture. Then select the picture you want to use from your phone album. Then simply click on just once. Then you have to simply adjust the picture based on the available size by default. Then once you're satisfied with the adjustment, click on this check mark from the top. Then you have your admin picture right there. Lastly, simply click on OK. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to update your profile picture admin on your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.